I know we're gonna skip a little bit because you're on set 8 hours a day,
Mhm.
10 what like what so an 8 hour time frame that we see 8 hours on the clock, 10 hours on the clock, 12 hours on the clock.
Yeah.
What is that like in y'all's time?
In a
Because
day in the life.
yeah,
Yeah.
because we're seeing 12 hours in 30 minutes or 45 minutes.
Yeah. It's so the time you see is the exact time that we're building. That's
Okay.
all 100% accurate. Some people are like, do they really have only that much time? Like, yeah, that's pretty. They're very strict about that.
Wow.
But what happens is sometimes you can have like you will be start the day where we all get on set. We're filming that 3 times we walk in. They want to
Yep.
make sure we get everyone's angle right. Then they talk about the challenge to get everyone like reacting big. Oh no, it's exciting. Oh, and then they get to the actual building time, and there's only like 6 hours left of the film day to film, and the challenge is 12 hours. So
Right.
we'll build for that 6 hours, then they'll cut, and it's like 10 or 11 p.m. at night. Then we go back to the hotel, get a shower, get some food, get up at 4 a.m. the next morning, get back to the set around 7 a.m. We're there, get our makeup and everything done. We're out on set filming again, and we finish that next 6 hours, and then we might have a little lunch break at the end. So it's like it kind of can spread out that building a little bit, so it's not
Right.
all at once. But the time that we're building is accurate. So like it will be bouncing around doing things on weekends. On Saturdays, they would go back and film those interviews that you see, kind
Okay.
of like the Survivor style interview.
Yep.
And so they that is all done afterwards, and we have to talk like it's happening now in present tense, right? So it's like we're like, so when we were building, it's like, no, as we're building this now, like, oh yeah, so right. So it got us confused. We got more used to it as we lasted quite a while.
Right.
It was about 6 weeks, 7 weeks for us for our lasting the entire season. But each season is a little bit shorter or longer depending on how they arrange a schedule. But ours is about 7 weeks. So
Okay. Now, did y'all actually wear the same clothes some days?
So it was the same outfit, but every night they would have it dry cleaned overnight.
Oh,
So it's clean every single day, and yeah. So it was. We would wear them for a couple days, usually like 2
and
or
it
3
was
days. Yeah.
So let's take a pause for a second.
Yeah.
You said that it's dry cleaned every night.
Yeah.
I can only imagine going from set where everything's makeup, hair, food, dry clean, coming back home. It's like, hey, where's makeup at? Where's dry cleaning?
They were surprisingly efficient on that. We would just, when we got off of set, we're done filming for the night, we change back into our like kind of street clothes, regular clothes, and we make sure that outfit is right, like there's like a little hanger, it just needs to be right there and they can clean it. Otherwise you're wearing a dirty outfit, I guess. But they would track and make sure everyone's outfit was ready to be cleaned, and then that evening for the few hours we had to go sleep at the hotel, they would make sure all those are dry cleaned, and then we get back and they are pressed, ready to go. So it was like I could get used to that. Yeah,
you could. I bet you could. I bet I'd be like, hey, I'm at home now. Can you do my dry cleaning for me?
No, thankfully. Well, we had to wash our clothes that we were wearing at the hotel or back and forth, but they took care of all the set clothes.
Okay.
So, yeah, that was all their department. Yeah.
So, okay.